Okay, so today is March 15th, 2021, and it is my first day of Daniel fast. I started last week, but I had to do a do-over because I was having health issues. So now I'm starting again. Right now, I am about to put some tempting pizza in the microwave for my daughter who wants something to eat. And I myself am going to make a smoothie with banana and some other stuff. So hold on. It smells so good. It smells so good. Anyway, so I spent the day in the devotional. I have a devotional plan from a Bible app that I have, the U version, and it's about renewing the mind, changing your mindset and thoughts. So I thought that was perfect to tie in with the Daniel fast as well. I have some fruit and vegetables that's going bad, so my goal is to eat all of it up today. So got some lemons getting hard, got a old orange. I got some pears that I'm about to put in my juice. I got some squash that I'm cut up later and saute. I got this avocado, or 2 avocados. I'm gonna try to make like something with it, guac or something, I don't know. I got plantains. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But my goal is not to waste them because I actually just bought fresh produce yesterday. That produce is from last week. You see how fast it spoils? It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah. Still haven't decided what I'm putting in my smoothie, so I'll be back. But yeah, I had to take a break to get a little one right here, a little fuss. I'm back. I had to strap her to my back because homegirl is like a true mama's girl. So anyway, I come up to where I'm gonna put in my smoothie. So we already started with the banana, and I'm using my NutriBullet. Then we got organic baby spinach, and then dark sweet pitted cherries. They're naturally sweet, so I'm not gonna use these. I'm actually about to give this to my daughter. She probably wants some grapes. And then there's some what is the word? Pineapple that I actually cut, but it's a week ago, so I'm not certain how fresh it is looking at it. It's all right for a smoothie. Some ground flaxseed and some sliced almonds. And I don't know, I might throw one of these pears in there just because. So that's what I'm going to drink, and a lot of water. And then I think I'm also going to eat some, never mind baby stew in the background right now. Some tangerines. I'm going to eat some tangerines, yeah. Or what are they called? Hello Cuties, Tangelos, whatever, one of them things. Yeah, I love citrus fruit the most. And I might have a mango. And as a matter of fact, I might put it in my smoothie, a mango. I got some ginger too. I might put that in the smoothie too. We'll see. Let me let you know after I make it, okay? I kind of want to give up already. I'm so hungry. This is my first time eating today. It's super late. It's 4:17. Okay, so this is what I decided. I decided on, that's the whole banana. That is spinach. You got some cherries. I put some papaya at the top, and there's the pineapple. That's the lighter color yellow. And then I got some ground flaxseed and some sliced, if you can see it well, some sliced almonds. And but this juice, that's just the juice from the pineapple. And then I'm gonna put in water. I'm not certain how sweet the papaya is, but I chose not to put the ginger in just because I was like, I don't want to go overboard with the drink. Plus, I have some goji berries in here for another day, and some dates, which I'm still gonna look up on because it says the dates have just 2 ingredients: pitted dates and glucose. Now, I'm trying to decipher or research if the glucose is what automatically comes in the dates because dates are naturally sweet, or is it because it's added? With it being the word glucose, I'm going to assume that it's added. I mean that it's just the natural sweetness, because like even in these sweet cherries, it says, you know, no added sugars. It just says, 18 grams of sugars. There's no added sugars in there. So, and then, just fruit is sweet. So fruit has sugar. So like even with this, included 0 added sugars. Total sugars is 14 grams. And the only thing in here is organic goji berries. So I'm inclined to believe, because my best friend was like, but I don't know, they're naturally sweet, they're gonna have sugar. But yeah, these have 32 grams of sugar and 4 grams of fiber, which is great for fiber. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna eat. Hopefully it's sweet enough, otherwise I might throw a date in there. So I'll let you know after I taste and blend it. Okay, so here is the juice. Moment of truth. It looks gross. Disgusting. Good. Okay. Look, I'm dripping stuff on my shirt already. Great. I swear, I just watched Controllers yesterday. Can't keep nothing clean. It's either the children or myself. It's sweet. It's actually not bad. The banana. The banana. Blah, blah. The banana did it justice. I'm looking for my top, and I just realized that I have a top that is on my other tumbler, NutriBullet tumbler. So I'm just gonna put it in a bubba. So all of it couldn't fit in my bubba, so I just went ahead and made some room. This is what was left, and I just went ahead and downed it. Otherwise it's gonna be literally just sitting in there all day as I nursed it. And I'm hungry, so I'm like, nah, let's do that, because if I sip on it and still be stewing in my hunger, I'm gonna be angry and I'm gonna fail at this fast, because I don't really want to eat this or drink this. I really want to chew some food right now and not no damn fruits and vegetables. So I was like, oh no, let me hurry up and just down it so that I could be full and don't really have a desire for anything else. So that's what I'm about to do. So Bubba is about 16 ounces full. This is a 24 ounce. Maybe that's 10 ounces. I don't know. Let me just go. If ever the saying "eat to live," so true right now. My stomach is getting full, but the craving still remains for what I really want, which is something fat and greasy. Yeah, I need to take a break. So I was mad because I do smoothies from time to time, and I be having coconut water, excuse me, and I looked and seen that I wasn't gonna be able to use it on this fast because it has sugar added to it. So I was just like, oh my gosh. As I was in the store looking at ingredients and stuff about what was Daniel fast friendly, I'm like, goodness grief, just so many additives to everything. It's just, wow, like, it makes it really, really challenging to not even do the Daniel fast, but to like rid yourself of sugar dependency. Like, it's crazy. So yeah, once again, I'm not a big fan of fruit, really, to be honest. I like vegetables more than fruit, so more than likely that will be my meat and potatoes of, this fast, is consuming that more. I'm just not really a big fruit fan. I like citrus fruit, that's mainly it, and I like exotic fruit. So all of those fruits are pretty seasonal. So with that being said, I don't really eat a lot of fruit. I hate with a strong bananas. Yeah, I literally made myself eat bananas when I'm pregnant. Other than that, I don't. And I'll try to occasionally eat a banana because I breastfeed. Otherwise, I hate bananas. For dinner today, I'm probably gonna have some lentils. I'll make a nice little plain lentil soup with some onion, garlic, tomatoes. I'm actually looking at a recipe in the back of here, and I'm trying to but anyway, I've had lentils before. I actually like them, but I've had it with meat though. Let me observe my refrigerator. I actually have some greens in here, so there's a lot of stuff I need to make today. I need to make greens. I have cabbage in here. The cabbage is good. I couldn't make it on the cabbage, but I need to actually make these greens. That's gonna be a little challenging, making greens without putting any yummy goodness in it. And then I have a humongous jackfruit here that I had got last week. Hopefully it's not spoiled, because yeah, it looks like it is. It's got mold on it, so I just completely wasted it. Yeah, damn it. The jackfruit wasn't cheap either. Look at it. Because I left it in the bag. It's got mold on it. I don't know. We'll have to see what I can do. And here goes baby Stewie again. Bugging me. I had to run an errand, and I didn't get a chance to finish making the lentils, so I'm hungry. So I'm eating pecans, as I call them. People in the South call them pecans. And a banana. Imagine that I'm eating like a banana pudding or something. I'm really looking forward to the end result. That's actually what's keeping me stay mentally positive about this, even though I'm sighing about it. First and foremost, to have food, regardless if I'm fasting or not, was a blessing. So I'm grateful for that. And then I got some, what are these cuties? Halos. And my daughter wants one. Gotta share everything, so. Yeah.
What are you doing? I want some orange.
Yeah, I know you want something. I can have nothing to myself, even healthy stuff, which is good because then it teaches your kids to eat better. So that's really good because she's going to use some more vegetables in her life. But when I get back home, I'm going to eat the lentils and I'm going to make everybody else some food. So I'm sure they'll be appreciative and hungry. Okay, so these is the lentils. They've been sitting for a little bit. They already cooked, but I just actually had some more water in it because it cooked all the water out of it. And it was a whole pack of lentils, 16 ounce. And so I had red onion in here, and I just added water. I cooked it with just red onion and lentils. Then I just put in some Himalayan pink sea salt. And keeping the seasoning as minimal as possible so that way, you know, I could just be in that mindset of focusing on basic food eating, minimal, simplicity. So I got 1 jalapeno and 1 red onion. Not even 1 red onion, like a third of a red onion. And I put turmeric in there, just in the yellow stuff. Organic ground turmeric. And I just put in a little bit of cumin. None of that's really measured. And I'm just gonna let it boil a little bit more. The cool thing about lentils is you can add as much water as possible, as much water as you want. So I might put even more water in there. I don't know yet. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be eating tonight. And for a car snack, I had a banana. But I think I already said that in the other one, in the other video before this. But this might deter. My dinner. The perfect fiber and the perfect protein. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I actually just added 2 tomatoes that I had that were going old. And then you got your jalapeno. And that's gonna be what I'm gonna be eating, and that's gonna be it for the night. I could have put some more tomatoes in there. I might, because I got a couple of more tomatoes in my fridge that was ripe for the picking.